when the cleaner application here, can either tap on get started, but I'm going to just rather tap on skip here for now. But as you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and it will pretty much clean your WhatsApp on unrelated photos or duplicated images. Will clean that, and as well, TikTok for you. And if you do tap on the remove option, it will pretty much clear up your device as well. And it does have a file manager option here. You have to pretty much give permission, which you can manage your files using this application here as well. So if I do tap on allow here, be able to manage files on my device, and you can as well delete these files. So as you can see here, these are videos that I've created as well, and some other little files here. So that's really pretty much it. First simple app to use, and you also can check your network usage here, but do keep in mind it will ask to allow grant access to the network usage, and you pretty much have to look for the application here. And let me just scroll and look for it down here, and then allow this option here, and you're pretty much good to go. So you can go ahead and go back and tap on it, and it should be good to go. So let me search for it again. I may have selected the wrong application by mistake, and this is the right one. And here it will pretty much analyze my network usage. It won't track the usage of the other application back in the day, but as you can see here, it will track pretty much everything as it relates to your data usage. So that's pretty much it for that there. And yeah, very easy application to use. And if you have any problem with it, and if you want to clear up some trash, then tap on remove now, and remove unnecessary files. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything, just let me know in the comment section and see if I can help you.